Now to...
I know it's not going. Oh, there we go. Start now.
Hi, this is Helen, and I'm going to show you how to create your Term 4 classes to bring your students over from Term 3 and make child classes, because that's been very complicated for people. So hover over Classes and choose Add. You're going to choose Existing, and you're going to choose your Term 3 class. So in this case, I'm choosing my Term 3 Fake 1. This is going to become your parent class.
And the reason for that is because we want all the stuff from that term brought over.
We want all the stuff, and we want all the students also.
Okay.
So I'm just going to change this to Term 4, and I'm going to not do it to save time, but you should change the dates. And remember, the term starts April 1st and ends June 6th. I'm going to choose my students by checking the little box next to the word name, and I'm not choosing my assignments because this is Term 4, and I'm clicking Save. I'm going to do the same thing again for my second class. I'm going to choose Classes, Add, Existing, and I'm going to choose my other periods that I have from Term 3. And so you should do this for each of your classes. And again, I'm going to change it to Term 4, and I'm going to change the dates to April 1st through June 6th. I'm going to choose my students, and I click that box and it chooses all of them, not my assignments. And I'm going to choose Save. So what I have now is all my classes for Term 4 created from my Term 3 classes, and they have students in them. So they also have all my resources, my videos, whatever else I
But
set
not
up.
the assignments, because it's not the equivalent. You don't want to bring that over. That term is done.
Exactly. That's Lara, by the way.
Hi.
So, but now what we want to do is make it so they can be child classes. So now I'm going to go back up to Classes. I'm going to choose Add. Oh no, I'm not. I lied. I'm going to go to my parent class. So your first period or second period, whichever the class is going to be your parent class. So that's where I am, and I am going to go to Admin and Sessions. I'm going to add a child class, and I'm going to put the word child right here so that I don't get confused, because you'll probably have your parent class is called algebra, your child class is called algebra, and your class you copied from Term 3 is called algebra. I would put the word child there just so you're not confused. Set your dates so that it's, again, you want to set them so that it's April 1st through June 6th. And you're going to choose your subject. It's science or whatever it is. And you're going to change the grade levels if you want to, and click Save. So what you have now is, when you hover over Classes, you have your parent class, you have your child class, which says child, you can see it's highlighted there, and then you have the one you copied over from Term 3. Here's where the trick comes. Go to the one that you created from Term 3, your Period 2 class, your Period 3 class, whatever period it was. You're going to go to Students, you're going to choose all of them, and you're going to transfer them. Super, super important that you are transferring from Term 4 into Term 4. You want to stay in Term 4. So you click Transfer, and it's going to ask you where you want to transfer them to. Unfortunately, you have to find your class in the midst of all of this. And I'm going to go down to Term 4. I'm going to find my fake class that says child on it right here. Click the radio button. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Continue. And I'm going to say, OK, that's fine. And click Submit. What this is doing is, so we've created this class twice. Once that had the students, and once that had all the data.
Did you do that? I don't remember you doing that.
I did that.
Okay. We'll see. If not, we only wasted 4 minutes. We'll go back and redo it.
Yeah. So now what I have is a child class that's a copy of my first period, so it's got all my resources and things. That's what the child class has, and the child class now has my students in it. So if I click on my child class, I click on students, they're there. So then what I do is
resources.
And the resources are there because I copied it from my parent class.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
So when I click on classes, I'm then going to delete the class that I took the kids out of. And you can see I'm keeping the one that has the arrow, and I just click delete. I know that seems complicated. You type your password so that it'll let you delete a class. And now what you have is your parent class, your child class. It has all your resources, and it has your students because you transferred them over. I hope that helps. Bye.